pretty well so far. We've been learning the alphabet, how to say extra letters in the alphabet, stuff like that. Some of the letters are a little bit difficult, but it's getting easier as I practice.
I feel like the kids are funny, but they're also really smart, and they adapt to the learning environment very well, and they have a great attitude with it. It's definitely a good practice. It's always good to learn another language, and I feel like Spanish is definitely a good language for little kids to learn.
It's pretty good, like getting to learn stuff that you're going to be learning in like upper grades. It's like a new experience, and you get to learn a lot of new things.